My name is Crystal. I am a massage therapist at Eastern Therapeutic. Some COVID long haulers experience symptoms for months, and these symptoms vary widely. Some of these symptoms include fatigue, worsening of symptoms after physical or mental activity, brain fog, shortness of breath, chills, body ache, headache, joint pain, chest pain, cough, and a lingering loss of taste and smell. Females are more likely to have lasting COVID symptoms. It's not yet clear what is causing these ongoing symptoms. Some COVID long haulers may not even know if they actually had COVID because they were denied a test. Gua Sha can be a beneficial therapy for COVID long haulers. It is a scraping technique that you use on your body. I like to use a metal jar lid or a ceramic soup spoon as my tool for Gua Sha, and also you should use an oil to lubricate the skin, such as coconut oil or shea butter. You could also apply Gua Sha over your clothing, and in that case, no oil would be needed. Gua Sha can be used to relieve symptoms of physical discomfort and to help stimulate your immune system. You can use Gua Sha at the first sign of a cold or flu to help boost your immune response. Gua Sha can be used to help treat some of the long-haul symptoms of COVID-19 as well as to help prevent them from worsening. Gua Sha may be applied to the bladder channel on your back. The bladder channel refers to 2 lines down the back. It is about the width of 3 fingers on either side of your spine. Here, Gua Sha may be applied using short strokes about a hand width in length using a downward direction. You can apply about 30 strokes on each side. This is thought to enhance the body's defensive capabilities. It can also be used to help relieve the symptoms of cough, fever, and fatigue. The yang channel on the outer side of the limb and the yin channel on the inner side of the limbs may also be stroked for about 30 times on each channel. Your arm should be scraped all the way down to the fingertips. The treatment should not be painful, and it does not need to bring petechia to the surface to be effective. Gua Sha can help to relieve fatigue in your limbs by increasing circulation to the area, which helps with lymphatic drainage and also brings oxygen and nutrients to the area. To help improve symptoms of chest tightness, coughing, and wheezing, Gua Sha can be applied to the lung channel on the arm, which is on the yin side. Lung 5 and lung 7 acupoints should be covered. Lung 5 is at your elbow. Lung 7 can be located by putting your fingers like this, and where this thumb touches is about where lung 7 is. Do not share your Gua Sha tools, and be sure to clean and disinfect them after each use. You can watch my other video on Gua Sha for more tips on cleaning and disinfecting your tools, as well as some of the contraindications for Gua Sha. If you are on blood thinners, you should not be using Gua Sha. I will also list some of the other contraindications in the description. Cupping is another great alternative therapy for cough and shortness of breath, since it helps loosen the congestion and fluid in your lungs, helping your body to expel it. There are several different cupping techniques that can be used to help with respiratory issues. One of them is called blanket cupping. This is where cups are placed on the upper back going down to where the bottom of your ribs are, kind of putting a blanket over the area, and they're left on for about 3 to 5 minutes. These have the potential for leaving red or purple marks, and if left on too long, they could leave blisters, so you should receive cupping from a qualified professional. I also like the technique called moving cupping. This is where silicone cups are used and they are glided in different directions over the area. There is also another technique called flash cupping, where you would put the cup on your back and pop it off, and you would repeat this over different areas, putting it on your back and quickly removing it, covering the whole back. This actually creates a vibration effect to help stimulate the lungs. The cups can also be placed on the back along the bladder channels to help with the flow of qi. You can also use your fingers to tap along the lung channel. This will help to increase movement and the circulation of qi. Self-applied acupressure is a useful tool when face-to-face treatment is not available. The small intestine 18 acupoint is useful for alleviating sinus pressure and pain. You can find this point by starting at the side of your eye and coming down to underneath your cheekbone. Here you can draw circles with your finger as you apply pressure to the area. You can do that for 1 to 2 minutes. Gua Sha can also be used to scrape the acupoints. You can also try breathwork or yoga nidra to help with dizziness and brain fog. Our bodies only have a limited amount of resources available to use to help ward off disease and illnesses. So you should possibly consider avoiding vigorous exercise until you're feeling better. Instead, you might consider focusing on more low-intensity activities to help decrease stress and increase your immune system. You can try things like yoga, tai chi, meditation. It's really important that you help with your body's natural healing response by getting enough rest, relaxation, and healthy, nutritious foods, as well as including gentle exercises like yoga. Hatha yoga is a great tool and it's really beneficial. It might help relieve some of the symptoms of long-haul COVID. If you'd like to see more videos on yoga, massage, and bodywork topics, be sure to subscribe. If this video helped you at all, please press the like button. If you'd also like to check out our latest blog posts and other updates, be sure to follow us on coffee.com. The link is in the description.